take no break. About 5 minutes ago, I saw a cobra, about 1.5 meter long, very poisoned. He is on the left side of the road. I was carrying a stick. He didn't go away, so I had to beat the hell out of him. And then he just slide to the right, and then he just took off. See, the stick is now only 1 foot. Originally at least a meter long, so I still have to carry it. I want to find a longer stick to protect myself when I'm alone. See, no body down there. This is the direction to the Tai-O. So, see, mountains, small mountains, and I can hear bees follow me. I don't know why he's following me, the bees. Very nice and quiet. Nobody. Wow. I have one customer waiting for me. He's the father of a Hong Kong beauty pageant. I think he's a champion, not the first one up. He's very tall. I think he's as tall as you, and his daughter is about 5'10", so it's very tall. Only 5'7", 5'8" only. Not too tall, not too short. Anyway.